Hello and welcome to the seventh part of our TV series on drawing a floor plan of a two-bedroom apartment. And so in the previous video, we drew some of the doors and then modified this part of the living room by introducing a toilet and then a porch, and we reduced the size or dimension of the living room. And so we shall continue with we need to clean up these parts, the walls, so that we shall ensure that they are continuous. And so we continue with we click and drag. Now the idea behind it is to introduce the trim command and then remove portions that are unwanted. So we remove these points to ensure that the walls are continuous. Remove these points. Then now let's introduce something here. So let me press the escape command. Let me go back and press the back button. This place is not going to be a room, it's going to be an opening. And so let's do it this way. I'm going to draw this wall. Now we have, let me extend this, press enter. Let me also extend press enter. Now what we want to do here is that we want to ensure that this this region, we want to clean up some portions to ensure that it is an opening. So that's what we have there. Then press the enter button. So I can always modify by using the trim command, then work on this portion. So now what this means is that we're going to introduce a door somewhere around here. We're also going to introduce another door here. So let's use the line command, and then from somewhere around this portion, let's just type 50, press enter, and then type 900, press. And so what this means is that we are going to have somewhere around here have our door. Then let's use the offset, specify 900, press enter, click and drag. Here we have entrance of the toilet. So we're also going to repeat for this portion. Let's click the command. Let's drag a little bit upwards, press 50, and then let's type our entrance door. So what should we have as entrance door? Let's take it to be let's take the entrance door to be 900. So let's type 50, press enter. Then we have our 900 meters, press enter. So we're also going to introduce our entrance, then the offset of 900. So as you can see, we have modified the toilets as well as the entrance for the living room. So we are going to introduce let's introduce the windows. So let's start from the bedroom. So remembering that this is a length of 3.5 meters. So I may just place my cursor and then drag a little bit. Let's introduce let's have a bedroom window of 1.2 meters, and so let's introduce 650, and then press enter, and then let's introduce another wall line of, so if this is 3 meters and we have, so let's introduce, let's say 900. Let me say that we should modify this. Okay, so let's introduce the window by having an offset of 1200. Click and drag, and then let's also repeat and drag. Now we are going to have now let's come back to this. Let's go through all the doors and let's go through all the windows. So let's introduce, let's say, a window of 600. So in between we have 450, or let's say 400. And then is under 400. And then let's introduce, so we have a limit, that's 900. Then let's also introduce another wall. Remembering, let's take the reference.